Open house today. Beautiful community of Boca Raton. We have the model Endless Summer, built in 2021. It does have a 2023 roof. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a den. Screen and pool, great location. Tile floors throughout the living area. Split floor plan. Primary suite. Beautiful sunny day. No homes behind you. Lots of privacy. Lots of space. It does have the accordion hurricane shutters throughout the home. It does have the roll-ons over here, easy to close it. Beautiful size pool. Eat-in kitchen. Open floor plan. Inside laundry. Pantry. We have half a bath, like your cabana bath. Asking price is $668,000. If you'd like any more information, please reach me at 941-451-1230. Thank you for watching.